चला जरा इकडे असतं. Yesterday we have seen exercise 1.1. Now in exercise 1.2 they have given you solving the linear equation with two variables, which are also known as simultaneous equations, by graphical method. We are going to see this exercise at last. So we will come to exercise 1.3, which is the exercise based on solving the simultaneous equation by using determinants. So determinant is a word which is new for you. So whenever the numbers are written in two vertical lines, it is also known as absolute value or determinants. So if we have determinant like this, A, B, C and D, which are written in two vertical lines, then in this AB and CD, these are said to be the rows, while AC and BD, they are said to be column. And if we see that in each column or in each row, in each column or in each column or in each row, there are two elements. Therefore such a determinant is known as determinant with 2 degree 2. So what is determinant in degree 2? Whenever there are two elements in each row and each column, then such a determinant is known as determinant with degree 2. Remember this. This can be asked as a answer giving alternatives. You can be asked like this: what is determinant in degree 2? Whenever the determinant has two elements in each row and each column, then it is said to be determinant with degree 2. So in this, A, B and C, D, they are in present in each row, and AC and BD in each column. That is the meaning. Now if we want to find out the value of such a determinant, there is a definite method. That is, we are going to do the operation AD minus BC. If we have this crossing, you have to always start with A multiplied by D minus, always minus sign, B multiplied by C. Whenever you do this operation, instead of A, B, C, D, you are given the numbers. If you do such a operation, then definitely you will get its value. Followed? So we are on page number 10. They have given you some solved example on page number 10 and page number 11. So you see these examples yourself. Now we will come to exercise 1.3, which is fill in the blanks with correct numbers, practice set 1.3. So here I will write the example 3, 4 and here 2, 5. So how to fill in the blank? That is equal to 3 into dot. Dot means what it will be? 3 into 5. Alright? Minus 2 into 4. Followed? So here which number will come? 2 into 4. So 3 into 5 will be 15 and 2 into 4 will be 8. So here the fill in the blank is 15. So the answer will be 7. So this question you can solve in your notebook. Now we will see second question. Find the values of the following determinants. So first, -1, 2, 7, 4. So here A is -1, B is 7, C is 2 and D is 4. So AD minus BC. So AD minus 1 into 4. A into D minus B into C, 7 into 2. So again you have to remember always for each sum the sign rule. If you make mistake in that, again in this easy sum also you will get wrong answer. So 4 into minus 1 will be minus 4 minus sign 7 into 2 will be 14. So answer will be minus 18. Minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. When two numbers are negative, do addition, give always minus sign. So this is the answer for first value of the determinant. Then second, I will write 5, 3, A is 5, B is 3, then it is minus 7 and it is 0. So again how much is A? A is 5, B is 3, C is minus 7, D is 0. So AD means 5 into 0 minus BC, that is 3 into minus 7. So 5 into 0 will be 0, anything multiplied by 0 is 0, minus minus, that will become plus. You remember here it is minus 21, so I will write this step also. So minus minus will become plus, so answer will be 0 plus 21, 21. Followed? Now in the third, they have given you the determinants which are fraction, but if you know the method of multiplication of fraction, then it is also easy. So I will write the third sum, 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 half. Again A is 7 upon 3, B is 5 upon 3, C is 3 upon 2, D is 1 upon 2. So AD, don't change any rule in this. A into D minus B into C. So 7 into 1, 7. Here no cross multiplication, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. It is not addition, subtraction. So 3 2s are 6 minus 5 3s are 15 minus 6. So as these are two fractions which are having same denominator, we are going to write the denominator once and then subtract the numerators as it is. 7 minus 15, 6 write once. So 7 minus 15 is minus 8 upon 6. Now we have to reduce it, that is also important. 2 4s are 6, 2 3s are 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So answer is minus 4 upon 3. Followed? So that is question number 2, practice set 1.3. For this, whichever the solved example they have given you, you see that in your book.